We're making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Harry, I didn't like the baby. David, stop.
How are you?
Well,
Well.
so David.
So. What?
Did you ring Bradley and tell him we're bringing the Supra up?
Do you know what? Bradley is that busy. I texted him yesterday and just say we're dropping it up, and he says there's one space available down outside the workshop shed.
Yeah.
And that's obviously. You were there before, weren't you?
Yeah.
You know how many cars fits around that place.
Yeah.
And that's he literally said there's one space left. But now the fact that it's right outside the workshop door as well, it could be like straight in.
Well, do you know what? It's not the worst thing to be looking at outside your fucking workshop door, is it?
No. And I did see the other day these 2 Bayside Blue R24s and a few bits and all, so she looked well in between them all.
Savage, right? So anyway, Bob Stephen's coming down to get the Supra. The Supra's going to Bradley's, and the fucking X5 is going to Perfect Cars. That's going to get a little bit of a just a check over.
I say that's probably broken because you're driving around in the M mode with a fucking 2-ton digger and trailer on the back.
You need a workhorse, like.
Racing lads.
Huh? Racing lads with the digger on the fucking Jeep, yeah? Anyway, right, we'll wait till the Steve lad comes and we'll do a bit of video and loading them up, and hopefully we don't break it, and actually hopefully they fucking fit him.
We'll get a few videos of him ripping the piss out.
David, you got your truck license?
Feel that.
Alright, stand around there, give her a big honk. Adam McLean.
Another bulb out.
Huh?
Another bulb out.
That thing's blowing bulbs like you're blowing bubbles. Oh god, we only had a fucking little chat there a second ago, right, about the Beetle, and I actually got Robert, like, I convinced Robert that the Beetle is gorgeous. Didn't I, Rob?
Yeah, the over-engineering involved in that bonnet especially.
But I actually said, Craig, for any of the Beetle over here, right, okay? In 1950, whatever they started building these things, I don't know, probably 1920, I don't know what it is, right? Look at the shape of it. Look at everything about it, look at the curve and look at the way the roof comes down. Like, why did they have to make a bonnet so complicated? Why didn't they just put it like a bonnet that went out flat and down? You know, because it would have been easier. It's fucking gorgeous. Anyway.
You wouldn't have been able to call it a Beetle then.
Let's fucking think of something, like. Huh? Right, I'm going out here. Craig, there's Craig's new little beauty. How's she going for you?
Brilliant.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, I would say it has let him down.
That's let him down twice. He has his 12 hours and let him down twice. Dave, you said something there. Tim the Tillman Taylor. What are you talking about?
Tillman Taylor.
So this is the glads that have your S15, yeah?
So that's it, nearly finished. All wiring everything in, and that is something else, isn't it?
That is a job. What's happening with it?
What's happening is waiting for your throttle body.
Throttle body, yeah?
Throttle body at home. There's an intercooler pipe that needs to be altered. So he has to do that. Then I collect my CV joints and cups and all today and bring them down to the last flywheel bolts that I never got. And then that'd be all the drivetrain finished. Well, I had to get drive shaft made. And then I think it's to be ready then. Get the fuel pump.
Okay.
You are 3 months ahead of schedule. April, lads. You said April.
Oh my god, yeah, it's still January.
April 2020 fucking one.
I am.
And when is she going to be ready for a road?
Oh, well, as soon as I pick it up off those lads, I'm going to book it into Bradley. Tim said he's going to come up to Bradley with us.
Jesus, Bradley's getting some shout outs today.
Yes, he is actually. Huh? So they're going to come up. Obviously, they're going to base map and all off Bradley. Have the car running down there. We're going to make sure there's no leaks or anything like that, obviously, because the work was gone in.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, keep talking.
And then Tim's going to come up just in case any problems on the dyno. The dyno.
Did they tell the dyno?
The dyno. And then actually we have to figure out who's closest in. Rob hasn't put his figures in yet.
Oh, this is a little thing we done to see who has the closest to what brake it is. Jeez, the killer has 569, huh?
I'm building it for over 600, that's why I went 600. Rob, come on, take it. Make your number. Make your figure.
The last time you supercharged an M3, the power went down.
That's so, now in fairness, Bradley is not that though.
What did I put down the road?
545.
I was being fucking too
Well, in
generous.
fairness, you started off at 470 or something.
Did I?
Until we started talking that everything that was done to it, then you upped it.
I was just guessing. I was just going to copy and off you a little bit.
I'm gonna go for 530.
530.
530D, Rob. Hey.
I was thinking that.
Oh, Rob, your name and all is on it. You just see the way you were involved.
Yeah.
That's the Zara.
Huh? This is complete, right? This is your lucky day.
No, it's not. It was from there.
Okay.
Anyway, lads, my wrist is getting a bit sore here, so I'm gonna put this down for a minute, okay?
Looks like it, yeah.
Okay. No one's fucking listening to me.
Yeah, but it looks like it.
What on her off? Hey. She's like a 320 Beamer. She's a bit blustery there, David, isn't it?
She's fucking blowing a gale.
Are you alright pushing that by yourself? Huh? I'll hold the camera here, okay? Oh, there's the compressor valve coming on. I'm just going to turn it off. Go, will you? I feel like I'm doing all the work here.
If the fire wasn't flat, it'd be easier.
You know, pump. There's Craig, huh? There's Craig coming to move his cars and get the Supra out, and because it took him a fucking half an hour, we decided to push it. I was like, Craig, give the lads a hand there, look at.
He's a lazy bastard.
Lads, do you reckon you can push her straight up onto the back of the truck?
Nope.
Straight right, don't stop until you get to the front of the truck.
My legs are like jelly already.
Here, lads, actually, just as we're going by this, right? Our forgotten car, lads, to the right. Poor Stephen, lying on the floor. If anyone knows where you can get a walk-in X-ray, give him a shout. Is that right, Stephen? The old revs are at him. It's all happening here, Rob.
It's a bit warmer in here.
It is actually grand in here. Live inside the seat, you can be a bit blustery on a windy day.
Too much pressure from
No, it's because the winch is only coiling up one side, but the towing arm is only one side of the car.
the pressure.
Nervous, eh?
Fucking shit myself.
You're not as nervous as you were in the oh, Jesus.
Oh, I've been loading it up on the Wes's truck.
Oh, yeah, that was a fucking nightmare, huh?
That was.
Huh?
Pistons are rain as well.
Oh, that was a night job, I think. A night job?
Night job,
That was a night job, that was.
You're about 2 mile away.
Right, I see him, Bradley's, yeah?
Yeah. See that?
Put down your hand and put one down. It's safe, lock, it's not new.
Oh, Jesus.
No hole in it.
The LV van has a little bit of an ill.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Oh,
That's the one.
and the V van is still on it.
That one there was the one I was worried about.
Yeah. Jeez, big piping in there. That's like a fucking, what's that? It's a 4-inch hallway down there.
You know what they say about big pipes?
Yeah.
Big noise.
Big noises, right? Big socks. Huh? Is that right, David?
Big socks, yeah.
Rob, I just have a feeling today is going to be a very fucking expensive day.
Yeah, I have that feeling as well.
Yeah.
You're going in, like. You're not. What are you doing?
He's nervous in our stable.
Like, give it out the other end.
You get shy, David?
Not like driving.
Steve, does it sound like it's actually after fixing itself?
Oh, it sounds like a fucking V4. V8.
It's Rick with the J clad. Poor Rick is out injured. From the ribs in last week helping me on a job. I'm waiting for a solicitor's letter. To burn it. If you're listening, Rich, to burn it. It actually happened out there in the middle of the road, actually. You know what I mean? Have you heard himself?
Yeah.
Right, lads.
Ah, jeez.
What's going on?
What's all going on, Craig? I'm just explaining to David here, yeah?
Your HPPFP was gone.
The flux capacitor.
Right, so obviously the Jeep went up to Perfect Cars. Yes, found the problem after 3 days routing at it. €5 an hour, it's not too bad, you know what I mean?
Not bad.
HPFP, high pressure fuel pump. Does make sense. I feel like I said that a second ago now.
You said it today, and you also said it to me.
That's it. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it?
I can't stand up.
Right.
Can be number too small.
Is it? Did you shrink it?
Mark said to me, I look cold in you because it's so small.
As a drip shop are now doing what do you call it, like
Extra small.
I'd say women's.
no, a
brand.
tight fit.
The muscle top.
The muscle top.
I'm sucking in now because it's so tight.
They were really getting you dryer. Shrunk it.